morning, happy Monday. I am back with another video. As you can see, you are in the bathroom with me. I am getting dressed. I figured, you know what, let me just go ahead and do a real quick video, chit chat. So today is gonna be day one of me watching what I'm eating. Ugh. I don't even want to say diet because it's like, it makes me so depressed. I'm like, oh gosh, I'm on a diet. You know what I mean? That blah. So today is gonna be my first day of watching what I'm eating. I'm not gonna say that I'm doing like keto or anything like that. I'm just lowering my intake in carbs. So, and then I'm also gonna do the inner. Do y'all see this? I had my eyebrows threaded and oh my gosh. Anyways, I look like a guy cut. So anyways, so what I'm also going to do is I'm going to try to do this intermittent fasting. So I'm going to try to hold out and not eat anything until about 11 o'clock. So that's going to be my brunch slash lunch. And what I have is hard-boiled eggs and Canadian bacon. So that's what I'm going to take with me. I have like 4 hard-boiled eggs and a couple of slices of Canadian bacon, and I think I'm gonna add a bit of cheese, and then that's it. I think the only thing that I'm gonna probably like crack out over is my vice is energy drinks, and I know it's really bad for you to be drinking energy drinks, and I can put away some energy drinks. So I think that's gonna be like the more difficult part is giving up that, you know. So wish me luck on that because I'm like, oh my gosh. But I need to because I know that that's not healthy for me, and I know that it's bad for my kidneys and things like that. I am also gonna put out how much I weigh. I'm gonna weigh myself in the clinic and I'm gonna record that. Ugh, so embarrassing, but I gotta do that because I need to hold myself accountable. And then I also need a starting weight. So, yeah. So prepare. I'm like bracing myself to be mortified because, of course, I'm gonna upload this video and my weight on YouTube, and that is like so embarrassing. But at the same time, I need to hold myself accountable. So anyways, let me hurry up and get dressed because I have to put gas in my car because I was too lazy to do that yesterday. And don't you hate when you say, oh, I'll do it tomorrow, and then today shows up and you're like, damn it, I should have just did it yesterday. So that's where I'm at right now. I'm like, dang it, I should have just did it yesterday. So let me hurry up and get dressed because I need to go put gas in my truck and I need to pack my lunch. So I'll be right back. Let me finish brushing my hair. Okay, so real quick, I wanted to show you guys my breakfast for, well, it's going to be my brunch slash lunch. I decided to just hold out until 11 on breaking my fast, and I have 4 hard-boiled eggs, a couple of slices of cheese, and then right here I have Canadian bacon. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. That's gonna be my lunch brunch kind of thing. I have a couple of bottles of water, and then I can refill it at work. I just don't really like their water, but anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and just take 2 and then refill those 2. I'm getting ready to do this, and the only reason why I'm doing this is because it's supposed to help, you know, of course, it's supposed to help with digestion. It's supposed to help with like bloating and gas, and it's supposed to help with acid reflux. And no matter, honestly, with all the weight that I've gained, everything gives me heartburn. So I'm willing to try this shot. I mainly bought this to use for like when I do like ribs, things like that. Not to just take a shot of. Ugh. So I'm like, ugh. And I was reading that it does not interfere with your, if you're doing intermittent fasting, it's okay. You'll be okay on that. It's not going to break any kind of fasting because there's no calories, there's nothing in it. So I'm going to use one of these And I know people are supposed to, like, I've seen some people do it with with lemon and honey and all that, but I'm not gonna do that because I just don't want to. Of course, I don't want to break my fast. I'm just gonna take a shot of this. You can see one of the girls back there. Chris had like a midlife crisis and adopted 2 cats. Like, we need any extra cats here, but they're very loving and very affectionate, and they're so cute. But man, they're like baby kids. They just run around everywhere in all hours of the night. Anyways, that's another story. But bottoms up. Oh my god. Oh, that's gross. Ugh. Oh, and it burns my stomach. Ugh. Ugh. Y'all, that is so freaking gross. I can see why people mix it with water, add lemon, add honey, add something to it, because damn. Whew, that was disgusting. Ugh. That's gross. I don't know if I can do that every day. I think what I'm gonna do, because yeah, that's a no for me, dog. What I'm gonna do is probably just before, right when I'm getting ready to break my fast, I'm probably gonna do this with lemon and maybe I don't think I'm gonna do the honey. I'm gonna do like maybe a stevia or something to just, oh my gosh, just to, it's kind of, you can taste the vinegar. Girls, calm down. You can taste the vinegar, but you can also, it has like a lemon flavor to it too, which is weird. It has like a lemon vinegar burn, not, I guess when you take a shot of liquor, of like tequila or something, that burning, ugh. I don't drink. I don't. The most that I'll do is like maybe a glass of wine, and that's about it. But oh man, this is oof. So I think I'm gonna just try to hold off, excuse me, until it's close to breaking my fast. Anyways, ugh, I gotta go. It is almost 7 o'clock, and I gotta hightail it out of here, put some gas in my truck, and get to work. All right, so I'm at work. I am gonna get ready to walk in. Man, that girl tore my eyelid up. It looks horrible. I should have put concealer on here, but I don't really wear makeup. The only thing I do is just lipstick. So I'm at work, getting ready to walk in, and and I put gas because y'all, I need a gas bad. Right now my stomach doesn't hurt as much as it did when I first took that shot. It's like gradually went away, so I just wanted to let you know that. I can still taste it. It's so gross. I don't know how long I can take to doing shots like that. And the only reason why I'm hesitating is because since I travel to 2 clinics, I don't want to carry apple cider vinegar with me, especially, you know, going back and forth. I just don't want to do that. So I don't know if I'm gonna just suck it up and just either do like hot water, like warm water, and maybe do it like early when I first get up. That way I can just chug it as fast as I can, with warm water and the lemon. That's it, nothing else. Oh man, I don't know. I gotta figure out a game plan. So if anyone drinks or takes shots or whatever of this apple cider vinegar mess, comment down below and let me know what you guys do, because I don't know if I can handle just straight shot, because that hurt my stomach. It still kind of aches, but not that bad. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and walk in because it's almost 8 o'clock. It is, let's see, what time is it? Yeah, 7:47. So yeah, I'm gonna have to walk in. So let me get this work day started, and then I will be back for lunch, and we'll chit chat and while I eat lunch. So I'll be right back. Oh my god. Ugh. I can't believe that. Alright guys, so it is lunchtime. I'm sad about my weight. So I've pretty much gained like over 60 pounds in the last 2 years. So it's a little, I'm like, oh man, but you know what, it is what it is, because like I said, I'm holding myself accountable. That's why I'm making this video, because I'm putting it out there. So it's lunchtime. I guess one of the perks of working at a doctor's office, we do get pharmaceutical reps that comes and they do lunchings. So I am going to show you guys really quick what I'm getting ready to eat. So I'm gonna put this down real quick so that way you guys can see. But it's just honestly, it's just fajita meat, chicken, grilled peppers, and a little bit of wok and some pico. So that's what is my lunch for right now. I have not eaten nothing. I've been drinking water. This is my second bottle. It's been really crazy. So it's been a really crazy morning. One of my coworkers had to leave early today, so yeah, as soon as I walked in and I weighed myself, I cried, and then I got to work because it was crazy busy, and it just now starting to settle down a little bit. But I wanted to just get on here real quick and chit chat and show you guys my lunch, so that way you guys see the proof of what I'm getting ready to eat, proof that I'm doing my water. So I actually turned down tamales because he actually brought tamales, enchiladas, homemade flour tortillas. I'm like, oh my gosh. So it was really hard. It was really hard for me to turn it down, but I'm like, you know what? I really need to lose weight. I need to work on myself. So I had to get that willpower, because I know how I am. I'm not gonna just get one piece and be like, okay, no. And like I said, I'm not doing keto. I'm just doing a lower carb. I'm not gonna be that strict on myself because I don't know. Like, to me, it's just too difficult for me right now. So I figure if I start off just doing a lower carb, she'll be okay. I want to start off by just changing my eating habits first. And then I'm going to start incorporating working out and things like that. So I figured I'll show you guys what I'm eating. Just chit chat real quick. And then just show you guys my meal for today, for this afternoon. I'm just now breaking my fast at 12:05. So I'm proud of myself. But man, I can tell you this. That apple cider vinegar did hurt my stomach for a while. And I don't know if it's like because I'm fast. The last time I had dinner last night around 5 or 6, almost 6 o'clock, I think. And I'm like so freaking tired right now, so fatigued right now from, you know, because when I get to work, I'm literally running around. Like, I'm literally running around like crazy, going back and forth. Phones are ringing, things like that. So I am so freaking tired already. So I don't know if this is just like because it's day one or what, but I am exhausted. Like, I feel like drained right now. So I don't know, we'll see as I continue to do the intermittent fasting. I'm gonna eat this. If I get hungry again, I'm gonna I have those hard-boiled eggs. If it can keep me full for a while, then I won't eat the hard-boiled eggs. I'll save it for tomorrow. And I'll just have dinner, which is like ground hamburger meat with they're like cauliflower egg whites. They're very thin, so that's gonna be my tacos for tonight. So let me go ahead and finish eating and just check on YouTube and check out some of my fellow YouTubers and see what they're doing. But I think that's what I'm gonna do right now, is just finish eating my lunch and then brace myself, because like I said, I only get 30 minutes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and eat, get on YouTube for a little bit, and then get back into work. So I'll be right back. Hey, so I'm back home. I am so freaking tired, to be honest. So luckily I made a whole batch of taco meat. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have tacos, and what I'm using is this brand called Crepini. You can find this at Costco or Sprouts. I don't have a membership with Costco, so I go to Sprouts to get these. These are expensive though. They're like $4.99, something like that. But if you can see there, you get 12 of them, and then they're 8 calories, no carb, no nothing. So we're gonna use that. So I'm gonna warm up the food, and then I'm gonna start assembling tacos. So far for today, it's been okay. My only complaint was that I have been craving something sweet. So I'm gonna try to figure out like a good alternative to crave that helps me cut that craving of something sweet. But other than that, I've been okay. I'm just like really tired right now. So I don't know if it's like the fasting all day and then, you know, just having that one and not having an energy drink, because that's what I usually do. I usually have an energy drink. But I'm gonna tough it out, because I'm trying to cut that off. I'm trying to cut that off and not drink any energy drinks. So anyways, let me go ahead and start warming up this food and start assembling. Okay, so here is what it looks like. I'm just gonna add some lettuce and some other stuff in it, but so far that's what it's gonna be. Tacos for dinner using these egg thins with cauliflower. So that's dinner for tonight. Alright, so day one is in the books. Overall, I'm tired. I feel pretty good though. I definitely need something for the cravings that I have for something sweet after I eat. But other than that, it's pretty good. I'm dead tired. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat dinner, take a shower, change out of these clothes, because it's been crazy busy today. So I hope you guys have a great evening, and I'll be back with another video soon. Talk to y'all later. Bye.